What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be playing some Minecraft Education Edition, but in this hardcore world. So yeah, let me just do this, okay, so, whoops, I just dropped my mouse. Okay, so I'm going to press play, it's going to generate the world, yeah, so, let me know if you want me to do anything. Okay. So I'll start off with this world. Wait, I should put on. Okay, I put on the skin. I didn't know why. It just looks cool, the skin. This might take a bit. Okay, finally, it started. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make that. I don't know why. This is just gonna be a short video today, guys, of the start of my Minecraft Education. This is that hardcore world. Granite, seriously? Okay, here we go. I found some stone there. Yes, I found some stone once. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think that's enough for now. Just need to see. I should probably make one too. Okay, so I'll make a stone axe, stone pickaxe, a stone sword. May as well make that as well. Okay, I accidentally just pressed my auto clicker. I didn't know what was going on. Okay. I'm not sure what to do right now, so I might go find a cave, and then I won't know what to do, but I'm just gonna say, what? There's so many flowers around, why? I've never seen this. This is the new update, guys, of Minecraft Education. So yeah, if you have that, go check that out. I don't know how I updated it, it just did. Wait, is this a ravine? No, it looked like 100%. I don't know why I thought that. Okay. Let me see how much. 3. Okay, I just crafted myself a furnace. So that I can actually smelt iron if I find any. Usually when I find coal, then I try to get as much stone as I can to make a furnace. Because there's no really point having a furnace if you don't have coal. Well, there is, because you can use like wooden tools and stuff, but I don't really use that because, or just normal wood, yeah, I don't really use that because it's just wasting all your building blocks. Okay. Oh, there's a desert. I might go over there to see. Yeah. There's a desert temple or something. Just saying, guys, if you hear my microphone being very loud, I'm sorry. It's just a very strong microphone. I'm using my headset, and I will be getting a new one soon, so don't worry. I'm getting some clay if there's a village so I can trade, because usually villagers have trading opportunities with clay. So this looks like a iron shovel, but it isn't, because and whoever makes a diamond shovel or a diamond hoe, it's just weird. My friend just did to flex. I was so mad at him. And yeah. Me and my friend will start a YouTube channel soon called And Minecraft. So go check that out when we start posting it. So yeah, we start posting it. So yeah. Right now I'm just trying to get some seeds, so I have a bit to make a crop farm. Oh, sheep. Yes, I need. Ah, die, sheepy, die, sheepy, die. Come back, you sheep. Yeah, I'll just eat it all. While I'm doing that, I'm probably just gonna try to get some more wheat, so that I can make a crop farm. Well, I don't mean wheat, I mean wheat seeds. Okay, I'm done right now. Okay, yes. What is your hunger? Oh, this is in hard. I'm dumb, but I sometimes do peaceful, so that's why my hunger goes down so fast. I'm used to, like medium. Yes, that's a cave. Is that a cave? Yes! I'm pretty sure that's a cave. Yeah, it is. Isn't there a cave over here? No. Okay, there's nothing really, I think, in this cave. Well, okay, I'm gonna check that after. Write in the comments below. You probably won't be able to, but if you see any iron or anything that I missed, write that in the comments below. And yeah. Okay, I don't even know where okay, I just went there. I'm so dumb. Okay, so, whoa, did I just say iron? I feel like I just saw iron. No, I didn't. Sometimes I say stuff that's not even there. Okay, I'm gonna go down into here. Oh, yes, seriously, I just pressed F6. I had my auto clicker before, guys, so I haven't turned it off. Well, I've turned it off, but sometimes I accidentally press random buttons. And that happens, so sometimes gravel reminds me of iron. And I'm like, what? Did I just say iron? Okay. Okay guys, sorry that I'm being a bit silent. I just don't know what to talk about right now. So yeah, that's great. Where's me iron peak? Oh wait, sorry, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. I need more sticks. Okay, guys. When I start building my house, that might end it for the video. Oh crap, there's a skelly. Bye skelly, bye skelly, bye skelly, bye skelly. I don't say that until they die. And we're just like, bye skelly. Whoa. Okay. Right, that's the outside. I don't want to go into the outside. Oh crap. I don't even know where I am. Okay, I came down there before. Okay, I'm gonna go out into the overworld again. Oh, this already is sort of the overworld, but... Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now, honestly. Okay, die. Right now, I just need to get this before I die. Okay guys, this might sound really newbie, but I'm just gonna have to make a sand house right now. I know it might sound really newbie and everything, but right now I just need to make a sand house before I die. Okay, I'm not gonna make the house dirt because I'm gonna noob like that, but I'm making it out of sand, so that's probably even more newbie. But guys, I just need to survive the night away from all these skellies and everything. So don't hate, please. Like, I'm begging you. Damn it. Damn it. You're kidding me. Sorry. Yeah, guys, that might end it for the video here today. See you next time on Ari's Minecraft Survival Parkour.